Well, hello guys and welcome back to another video. It's Store Rider here, and you must be wondering what is the crash that actually taught me everything. So now we are actually heading to the destination where I crashed at, and while we are going there we are obviously on this beautiful Tomos APN4. Now firstly you must be wondering, what do I mean by that the crash taught me everything? And I will actually explain you what do I mean by that. So the first lesson, it taught me that no matter what kind of bike do you drive, no matter the displacement and the power that the bike makes, you must wear a gear. Now I'm kind of contradicting myself here because I'm wearing a t-shirt and I'm wearing just the helmet and the gloves, but it is currently unbearable outside. It is outstandingly hot. Obviously you should still wear a gear no matter the weather, and the day that I crashed I wore a jacket, gloves, helmet, everything man, and still I managed to get myself hurt. So guys, please always wear full gear on the bike, always, no matter the weather, no matter the distance. Today I'm being an extremely dumb person and I'm wearing just the gloves and helmet. But please guys, be a smart person and wear full gear no matter what. Okay guys, so now I will actually show you the corner that I crashed in. And imagine the scenario. It is close to winter, you got some rubbish tire on your moped, and I wasn't coming quick to a corner, right? But still man, imagine that I was wearing a full gear and I still managed to hurt myself. So that's the corner right there. Some rubbish tires, and I kind of just slipped right through there across. I don't know actually how to show you guys, but yeah, I was coming that way and right here I crashed. My beautiful Tomos landed in these bushes right here and I was right there. So did I hurt myself? Well, actually yes, and pretty bad. Right here on the wrist I hurt myself pretty bad. I was wearing a full jacket and these gloves, but when I was falling, I was trying to catch myself with my hands. Obviously, when I kind of extend my arms, the jacket isn't the full length, it's up to here, and the gloves are up to there, so I was exposed by this much, and right here I got hurt. So guys, please, for God's sake, wear a full gear, because even if you do, you can get hurt. But that is the corner that taught me lots about riding. But let's go on to the second point of what that crash actually taught me. It taught me to always check the tires on my mopeds, on my bikes, and yeah, it sounds kind of silly, but to be honest, the tires were okay when I crashed the moped, but they were expired, right? When I bought the moped, I didn't change the tires because they looked okay, but they were expired. So guys, please, when you buy a restored bike or something like this, always change the tires, always. So yeah, firstly, it taught me to wear a full gear, like I said. Secondly, it taught me to always check my bike's tires. And then it also taught me to be aware. Now yes, I am saying that in the sense, yes, of course, you must be aware when you are driving of other people, other cars. But I am saying to be aware of the road. That day I was driving, I don't know what kind of month it was, but it was close to winter, right? The road was cold, my tires were shit. And because of the road and a little bit of the gravel, I obviously crashed. It was like I was on the ice. I wasn't standing a chance that day. But yes, it taught me to be aware in what kind of environment are you driving in, right? Is the road hot or is it cold? Is there any gravel on the road, yes or no? The one thing that also that crash taught me is that it doesn't matter if you're on the 50cc machine or you're driving a leader bike. I think that it really doesn't matter. I think that it's just as easy to crash a leader bike than it is a moped, especially if it's a old-timer, right? You don't have that much grip because the tires are just tiny. We will kind of let her through. Where was I? Okay, yeah. So, you don't have that much grip because the tires are tiny. Also, no ABS doesn't help either. But yeah, guys, please apply those tips that I was giving to you. Hopefully, guys, you learned something from this video. Please always wear full gear, check the tires on the bike, and check the environment that you are driving a motorcycle in. But yeah, guys, anyways, if you want to support me, please subscribe to the channel, like and comment on this video, and if you would like to wear some cool motorcycle streetwear kind of shirts, hoodies, all of this kind of stuff, we do sell them on the Amvorix. I will put a link down below to Instagram, TikTok, and also the website to the Amvorix, where you can buy some pretty cool shirts and hoodies. But with that, guys, I will thank you for the watching. I appreciate you a lot, every single one of you, and I will see you in another one. Bye, guys.